Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you looking for a delicious Cameroonian meal that can fit into your weight loss journey? Try this simple white beans and plantain recipe. It's packed with fiber, plant, plant-based protein, vegetables and traditional African flavors. And the best part is you don't have to give up the foods you love to eat. Today, we are making Cameroonian style white beans served with roasted plantain. Instead of loading the beans with a lot of oil, we are using just a moderate amount of olive oil to keep the dish flavorful while being more calorie conscious. For the beans, you will need 2 cups of cooked white beans, 1 medium onion, 2 chopped tomatoes, 2 cloves of garlic and a piece of fresh ginger. Start by heating your olive oil over low heat. Add your chopped onions and let them cook for a few minutes until fragrant. Next, add your chopped tomatoes. This is where the flavor really starts to develop. Allow the tomatoes mix to cook down nicely before adding your crayfish and shrimp. Now, add your cooked white beans. Stir everything together and add a little of the bean cooking water if the mixture is too thick. Season with salt, white pepper and your green spices. Let everything simmer together so the beans absorb all those delicious Cameroonian flavors. Next, add your vegetables, the peas, carrots and corn. Add color, texture and extra nutrients. Now let's talk about why this meal can work well for weight management. White beans are naturally rich in fiber and provide plant protein, which can help you feel satisfied after eating. The vegetables and even add even more fiber and nutrients. And because we are controlling the amount of added oil and keeping the plantain portion moderate, we can enjoy this traditional meal while being mindful of calories. Remember, no single food causes weight loss. Your overall portion, eating pattern, activity and calorie intake matter. So if you are trying to lose weight without giving up your culture and the food you grew up knowing, save this recipe and give it a try. Thank you.